What's going on, people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm super excited to bring you guys this video because I'm giving you guys a brand new opportunity to make money and a brand new opportunity to take advantage of. I've been taking advantage of this opportunity and I've been making a lot of money on this opportunity, and I'm sure you guys will make money on this opportunity as well, because we're talking here about passive income. Making your money make money for you while you sleep or while you do other daily things. This right here might actually be one of the projects I've taken advantage of, and it actually turned out to be a good thing for me, because I've taken action on several projects I've reviewed for you guys, and I've seen good to mediocre results, to be honest, because it's never the same with everything. In the crypto market, it's never the same, or it's never forever. You make money this day, tomorrow you could lose that money or more than that money. So like I said, I've taken a lot of action on several projects I've reviewed for you guys, and this right here was one of the projects, and I'm going to show you guys the details in the next part of this video, because I want you guys to stick around and watch this video to the end if you are curious and interested in learning or getting yourself another opportunity for you to make some passive income in the crypto market right now. If you are new to this, and if you are a newcomer to the crypto market, welcome to my channel. This is definitely the right space for you. This is where you will find and learn about new crypto projects, new hidden gems out there, new brand new opportunities in the crypto market for you to make money and passive income. I also have a Telegram community where I keep my followers and my people updated on a regular basis about projects I've reviewed before on my channel. If I don't post stuff there, it's because there aren't any major updates worth sharing with you guys. But anyway, let's focus on this video today, because I actually really want you guys to watch it and focus with me here, because this is actually just going to be one of a series of videos I'm going to bring you guys about this project right here, and I'm going to keep you guys updated, because like I said, I've been making passive income on this project right here, and this is definitely the right time for you guys to make money on this project as well. So if you want to hear more about this channel, if you want to get more on this channel, more content, more videos, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more regular videos. I'm also gonna put all the links and info down in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check out the links, do your own research, read everything, make sure this is actually the right opportunity that suits your expectations. Having said that, without further ado, let's hit it. So over here, guys, we're talking about Galaxis engines, and this is, again, like I said, a brand new project for me, guys, and this is my first review and my first thoughts on this project right here. And like I said, I've been making money on this project right here, and the kind of opportunity, it's actually my new kind of model engaging with this project right here. So the kind of opportunity in Galaxis engines provides to the crypto community or to the crypto market is a passive income kind of opportunity. So if we're talking here about people who are interested in making, in investing their money so that their money can make passive income, or their money can earn passive income for them, on a regular basis, this is definitely the right opportunity for these people. And we're talking about Galaxis engines here. You get to receive Galaxis rewards, distribute launch keys, incubate decentralized communities. So I will take you guys through the process of how you can actually buy the nodes. Currently I have 5 nodes on Galaxis engines right here. So first of all you gotta do is just connect your wallet right here. They have different options when it comes to the wallet. We have Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Phantom, and the list goes on. For me, I'm using my my MetaMask wallet, and like I said, I will walk you through their website and show you guys how you can. The process is actually very simple, given that it's actually pretty decentralized. All you gotta do is just connect your wallet, and you'll be able to have USDT and Matic on Polygon on your wallet, and then you'll be able to purchase or complete the purchase of the nodes. And like I said, I have right now 5 nodes on Galaxis engines, which definitely makes me money on a regular basis, and I will show you guys exactly how much I've been able to withdraw, because I'm trying to I was back testing, forward testing the process, so there is no issues, there is no bugs, nothing whatsoever last minute. So right here today, I think this is actually the right opportunity for me to record this video for you guys and show you the process of how you can actually enjoy your earnings and enjoy your passive income the same way you can, you know, withdraw the funds from engines or Galaxis engines all the way to your wallet. And just before I get into that, I just want to show you guys the economic model, you know, some numbers that are going to help you understand better, you know, how much of a success engine Galaxy's engines here is, and you know how big this thing is, and how massive this opportunity is for a lot of people, and how many people have already gotten themselves into this opportunity and managed to make money on Galaxy's engine nodes. So right here we have 11,733 engine nodes activated. We have here total supply of engines 50,000 engines, and here we have the initial price was 777 USDT, and here we have price increase here, and the price right now is circulating at around 1079, and here is the increased price right here, which is 999 USDT at 10k sold. And if you guys scroll down, you guys are going to see the benefits that you guys are going to be able to take advantage of when you take action on Galaxy's engines here, or when you actually buy the nodes of Galaxy's engines here. So by doing that, you set yourself to become a direct contributor into this own project right here. You setting yourself to, you know, pave the way for a new financial system, the crypto market, bring in a new opportunity, or you know, taking advantage of a brand new opportunity of passive income in the crypto market, instead of just, you know, investing in your cryptocurrencies or investing your money into random cryptocurrencies that are dumped, you know, on a regular basis. This is definitely the best approach I would advise for a lot of people, because again, like I said, this is a money making machine, and you could definitely make a lot of money on this if we're talking about long-term investment. So like I said, you set yourself to become a direct contributor, laying the groundwork for a new era of digital interaction and co-creation. Galaxy's engines are the powerhouse of their ecosystem, mining and distributing the launch keys that creators need to invite their communities on the Galaxy's platform. This is definitely the right opportunity for you to be a part of the shaping the future. And this graph right here explains how these elements coexist or correlate to one another between, you know, among community on Galaxy's users, rewards pool creators, Galaxy's engine, launch keys. So you guys get to see here that one has to do with the other, right, which makes up the whole ecosystem that Galaxy's engine stands on. So right here you guys see these important principles or important pillars or elements that actually are making the project, or that are making the success of this project right here, actually have something, or all have one thing in common, which is the reward pools right here, and they all go around one another, as you guys can see in the graph here. Of course, you can always feel free to pause the video or access the links and info I'm going to share down in the description of this video. And if you scroll down here to the section of their website, you're going to see some other benefits. Like I said, we have here daily Galaxies, where you earn daily Galaxies rewards, bonus pool, you could participate to unlock Galaxy's bonus pool. We also have launch keys, where you distribute launch keys and earn royalties. We also have the voting weight, where you become a core contributor within Galaxy. So this is not just a money-making machine, this is also a money-making machine where actually, you know, the investors or the people that are taking advantage of it actually have something to say. So it's not just up to the devs to do whatever with the project. People also, this is a community engaging and a community interacting or interactive project right here, and the community is everything that this project stands on. Because like, it's definitely important for me to point out that projects who always prioritize their communities are definitely set themselves to be the most, or you know, the biggest active ones or the most successful ones. Because when you pay attention to your communities, to your investors, they definitely bring you more positivity on your social media. If you are a project owner or a business owner, it's definitely very important for these, you know, project owners or these business owners to pay attention to their communities, to their investors, such as Galaxis Engines is doing right here, especially that they are even, going beyond just paying attention to their communities, saying they also giving them the right to vote on what is actually on what actually goes on within Galaxis Engines. Now to the most important part of this video. This is where I'm actually going to show you guys how much I have right now, how much of passive income Galaxis Engines have made me so far, because I wanted to get, I wanted to let it there, or to let it grow as much as possible, so I can actually show you guys. So like I said, I connect to my wallet. You have a variety of options to choose, whichever you are using, Phantom Wallet, Connect, MetaMask. So you just go right there and connect your wallet. The process is pretty simple, and right here I have 5 nodes, as you guys can see with me here, and this is where you're gonna find your information, your own profile information right here. So this is where you can take action with Galaxis Engines here when you actually have bought the nodes. So for you to buy the nodes, first of all, let me take you through this process. So like I said before, the cost right now 1079 USDT right here. So when you have enough USDT on Polygon, for example, this amount right here, I already have 5 nodes on my account, and they're already making me pretty a lot of money, and I will show you guys that as well. So you can select here the number of nodes you can buy, and then you can have some USDT on your wallet on the Polygon network, and then you'll be able to purchase 1 node, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes. So you can click here, and then you're going to be able to complete the purchase. Very simple. Again, that is the best thing about being decentralized, is that you don't have to go through a payment gateway or anything like that. All you got to do is just top up your account, get some USDT into it, then you're going to be able to buy as these nodes right here. After you buy the nodes, if you are interested in actually topping up your passive income, this is definitely one of the things you could try. So we have here the bonus pool that you can take advantage of, for you to be able to take advantage of it as well, because well, they're giving a good opportunity on their bonus pool right here, and it's definitely a separate area on Galaxis Engines where people can interact with as well. And they also have another section right here where you get to lock in your Galaxis tokens and set yourself up for more. We're talking here over a span of time. This is the best thing about this, especially if you are interested in topping up your passive income. You set yourself to earn more rewards and extra Galaxis tokens by just locking your own or your existing tokens right here. And you can always read more on their wiki page right here. I actually recommend that you guys do that, because this is definitely where I get the information, and I'm not gonna be able to show you guys or read everything for you word by word. So I would just recommend for you guys to just either pause the video or access the link. I'm also gonna post this link in the description of the video, so you guys can understand more specifically how this actually works. If you guys are numbers exports, or if you guys are number fanatics, this is definitely the right page for you guys to get more info on Galaxis Engines right here. So right here is the total pool we have, and then the daily reward pool right here, and then we have these packages right here that you can choose from. So we have 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. And again, remember, the bigger the amount of time you are going for, of course, the bigger the rewards are going to be, or the bigger the ROI is going to be for you at the end of that period. So if you're going for 3 months, we're only gonna get 1x. So if we're going for 6 months, you're only gonna get 1.5x, and if you go for 12 months, you're gonna go for 2x on your initial investment, which is definitely going to be big, depending on how much you are going to put in on, or how much you are going to lock in. And right here, this is where you can claim your tokens. So for me, like I said, I have 5 nodes on Galaxis Engines, and this is how much these nodes are making for me on a regular basis. So this is how much of passive income I've been able to grow, 8,463 tokens, and this is how much, or the amount of transactions I've had so far. And this is again my proof that the process is definitely the same. I've been able to withdraw the same, there's no issues, nothing whatsoever. I've been able to withdraw the tokens to my own wallet, which you can exchange for Matic or swap for Matic. So I'll be doing the same process right here. So you can click over here or add max or add a separate or a customized number, then you click on claim and then you confirm here, and then you're gonna be able to sign on your wallet that you've connected. And after that, you just gotta confirm the transaction right here, and once you click on confirm, and then the transaction should go through, and then you should have the tokens in your own wallet. And as you guys can see, these are my Galaxis tokens right here, and they are worth about $100 USD. And this is pretty much it. I've been holding these nodes for quite some time now. Like I said, I've done multiple withdrawals and they go smoothly. There are no issues whatsoever. You can swap your tokens on Matic, and you can even withdraw it to an exchange, or you can, you know, go for P2P, or you can just do whatever, or you could just hold these tokens right here. But what I'm saying is here is that these nodes are real. Galaxis engines here is the real thing, and like I said, this is really one of the few projects I've actually invested into and actually, you know, turned out to be a big thing for me. And I'm definitely going to continue my work with the Galaxis engines here. I'm going to bring you guys more updates and more regular content. I will show you guys how you can lock in your tokens, how you can participate in the bonus pool as well, and of course for you guys to stay updated on a regular basis, you can give them a follow on their X account. They have almost 100,000 followers here, and they post all kind of stuff to their communities. They even hold AMAs from time to time, so you can participate and listen to these AMAs right here, and you will definitely be able to update yourself on everything Galaxis does for their investors, their community. And I mentioned earlier that their community is definitely a priority for this project right here. So when you invest into this project right here, you definitely set yourself to be a core contributor into Galaxis engines. This is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please smash it with a big like. I'd appreciate that a lot. Let me know what you think about Galaxis engines down in the comment section of this video. If you have any thoughts, ideas, questions whatsoever, I'm happy to review your feedback on this project right here. I'm going to continue giving you guys more content and regular updates on this project. I'm going to continue investing into this project right here and show you guys more profits and show you guys how you can take more action on Galaxis engines right here. Stay updated on my channel, give me a follow on my Telegram community as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I hope I catch you on the next.